Hello, my name is Henry Gunnar Anderson, and today I'm going to be showing you the bio portion, or reading to you my part of the bio project, specifically the conclusion. Now, there are many libraries around the world that we can explore and research, but our group narrowed it down to four. We had four different libraries that we were tasked to research and ask them a set of questions about how the library itself works in the community, how many people come in and what do they do to help the communities, and in how many different ways. The first chart of data we have shows you shows the literacy of each area at state level. Shows the literacy at state level of each point, and it's showing you here at in a bar graph form. And it shows the achievement level distributed. It's compiled into different sets of colors of blue. The first step one is dark blue for standards not met, i.e. level 1. Light blue for standards nearly met, level 2. Normal blue for standards met, level 3. Baby blue for standards exceeded, level 3. Now, about 30% of students did not meet the standard. 24% nearly met the standard, and 26 just barely met the standard, with around 20% exceeding the standard. Now, Chart 2 explains the literacy level in Orange County. In Orange County, 23% of students did not meet the standard. 22% nearly met the standard, and 30% met the standard, with 25% of students exceeding the standard. Now, in Chart 3, it explains the literacy level at a district level in Santa Ana Unified School District, where 46% did not meet standards, 32% nearly met standards, 2% met standards, and 20% of students exceeded standards. Now, the last chart shows the literacy rate in our school, Samuel Academy, where it shows us as having 5% that did not meet standard, 15% who nearly met standard, 48% who did meet the standard, and 32 who exceeded standard. Now, after we finished gathering up this data, we decided to make a list of questions that we had come up with to ask the library, and we took time to go to these libraries and collect personal data. Of course, each library had different answers, and some didn't have the data ready, which we understood because it is very hard to gather up this data. With this data we were able to collect, we managed to put them into tables and compare them as we have shown you throughout the process of this project. In the end, we came up with the idea that areas that had a higher source of books ended up having, in their libraries, ended up having higher levels of literacy, as shown in a couple of the data samplings we were able to collect from the Department of Education, who were able to show us the different cities and different districts' levels of literacy, and we were able to compare that to the different libraries that were there, and from our case, looking at the amount of books each library was able to contain. Thank you. Have a good one.